Router. A router connects different networks together and decides where data should go. In a typical home, it connects your private network to the internet. Every device in your house has a local IP address, and the router keeps track of them. When you open a website, your router receives that request and forwards it to your internet provider. When the response comes back, the router makes sure it reaches the exact device that asked for it. Most home routers also assign IP addresses automatically using something called DHCP and often include built-in security features. Switch. A switch connects devices within the same local network. If you plug multiple computers into a switch using Ethernet cables, the switch allows them to communicate directly. What makes it smart is that it learns the physical address, called a MAC address, of each connected device. Instead of sending data to everyone, it sends it only to the intended device. This reduces network congestion and keeps communication fast and organized, especially in offices with many computers. Hub. A hub also connects multiple devices, but it is much simpler than a switch. When one device sends data, the hub copies that data to every connected port. All devices receive it, even if it's not meant for them. This creates unnecessary traffic and slows things down. Because of this inefficiency and lack of security, hubs are rarely used in modern networks. Modem. A modem connects your network to your internet service provider. The word comes from modulator-demodulator. Its job is to convert digital signals from your devices into signals that can travel over phone lines, cable lines, or fiber connections. Then it converts incoming signals back into digital form. Without a modem, your router would have no path to the internet. In many homes today, the modem and router are combined into one device. Access point. An access point creates a wireless connection to a wired network. It connects to a switch or router using a cable and then broadcasts Wi-Fi signals. This allows phones, laptops, and tablets to connect without wires. In large buildings like schools or offices, multiple access points are installed in different areas to ensure strong and consistent coverage. Repeater. A repeater extends the range of a network signal. It listens to an existing signal, strengthens it, and sends it out again. This helps eliminate dead zones in large homes or buildings. However, because it has to receive and retransmit the signal, it can slightly reduce overall speed. Bridge. A bridge connects two separate local networks so they can communicate. It filters traffic by checking MAC addresses and decides whether data should cross from one side to the other. This helps reduce unnecessary traffic and keeps networks organized without fully merging them into one large, messy system. Gateway. A gateway connects networks that use different communication methods. It acts like a translator between systems that speak different languages. For example, when your local network communicates with the internet, the gateway ensures the data is formatted correctly for both sides. In many home setups, the router also performs gateway functions. Firewall. A firewall protects a network from unwanted access. It monitors incoming and outgoing traffic and blocks anything suspicious based on security rules. Firewalls can prevent hackers, malware, and unauthorized users from entering your network. They can exist as hardware devices, software programs, or built-in features inside routers. Network Interface Card. A network interface card, or NIC, allows a device to connect to a network. It provides the physical or wireless connection point. Every computer, smartphone, smart TV, and gaming console has a NIC built in. It has its own unique MAC address, which helps the network identify it. Load balancer. A load balancer distributes incoming traffic across multiple servers. Instead of one server handling every request and becoming overloaded, the load balancer spreads the work evenly. This improves performance, reduces downtime, and ensures websites and online services remain stable even during heavy traffic. Proxy Server. A proxy server sits between a user and the internet. When you request a website, the proxy makes the request for you and then sends the result back. This can hide your real IP address, filter content, or store copies of frequently accessed websites to speed up access. Businesses often use proxies to monitor and control internet usage. If your internet setup ever feels confusing again, just remember, it's not magic. It's just a bunch of very organized middlemen doing their jobs quietly.